guys, oh my gosh, I look terrible. But I just finished from the dolphins. I'm wearing full rash guard today. There were a lot of jellies in the water. But we started out and I was the only one. I was up at 4:30 today, and my captain and I were the first ones on the water. My little dolphin. And then I was in the water with them for a bit by myself, and then a lot of people started coming. And I hate when there's so many people. I don't want to share the experience with anybody. So I told the captain, let's just go find other dolphins. So I paid him some extra money and we went out exploring, and we found a beautiful pod with a baby of bottlenose dolphins, and I was the only one in the water swimming with them, and it was really shallow, so even when they went down for their breath, I could still swim with them. And it was absolutely incredible. I've waited 30 years to swim with dolphins in the wild, and today was just par none amazing. So guys, if you want to swim with dolphins in the wild, Zanzibar is the place to be. Kismakazi.